To delete the Facebook page permanently, head over to Facebook and then click on your profile picture on the top right-hand side to switch into the Facebook page you want to delete. Once you've clicked on that, click on Professional Dashboard from the left-hand side menu. Then, click on All Tools at the bottom, and under this Profile section, click on Page Access. From the left-hand side panel again, scroll down until you reach the Your Information section, and then click on Access and Control. This is where you'll go to either deactivate, unpublish, or delete this Facebook page. Since your aim is to delete this Facebook page permanently, click on Delete Page, which is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook as this page. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. To continue the process of deleting this Facebook page permanently, click on Continue at the bottom. If you wish, before you permanently delete your Facebook page, you can download your information or transfer a copy of your information by clicking either of these buttons on the right-hand side. Once you've done that, click on Continue at the bottom. Before you permanently delete your Facebook page, you'll need to enter your password in the space provided. So go ahead and do that, and then click on Continue at the bottom. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the permanent Facebook page deletion. It'll say you're about to permanently delete your Facebook page. If you're ready to delete, click Delete Page at the bottom. Once you submit your Facebook page for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your Facebook page and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin, and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. To confirm the permanent deletion of your Facebook page, click on Delete Page at the bottom. For even more Facebook tips and tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.